earlier, she told me it's always been a dream of hers to be a NASCAR driver. And it does happen after we like to make dreams come true. So, I'd like you to take your very big steering wheel. While we sing happy birthday, we need you to drive around the restaurant. Every time we say stop, beep, beep, it's my birthday. If you fail to do so, we start all over again. We're here till 12, okay? So we get this right. All right, guys, on the count of three, happy birthday to Josie. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Josie.